guys, my hair is a little crazy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little look with this bad boy. So this is the look. Really excited. It was a lot of fun to do and I can't wait for you guys to check it out. So instead of just rambling on, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So I already did this eye, so you kind of have an idea of what it's going to look like, and I also wanted to have an idea of what it's going to look like. So this one's already done, but I'm going to do this eye for you guys, so stay tuned to check that out. So as you guys know, we will be using this bad boy. She is gorgeous. So I'm just going to shout out the shades because I feel like everyone kind of knows which shade is which. I'll describe it. It's just easier than holding it up. Why is it so bright all of a sudden? Okay, so we're going to take Tannicon and we're just going to go in our crease. Okay, and then we are going to go in with My Pills, which is the very, very pale, almost pinky color. And we are just going to do a solid base. Okay, so following that, we are going to go in with Just a Theory, which is the shimmery pink. Oh, I wasn't even in the camera. Sorry, my bad. So with Just a Theory, hi puppy. Nope. So with Just a Theory, we are going to pack that on. This is even more. I feel like literally this look is just a ton of packing, but aren't all makeup looks just like that? So yeah, so once Just a Theory is on and solid, we're going to go in with Flaming Hot, which is the bright, bright red. Look at that. And we are going to go in our crease. And we're going to be packing this on as well. And I'm using a blending brush for everything up to this point. I will be using a smaller brush later, but not yet. Once you put that in your outer corner and in your crease, you are going to go in with Conspiracy, which is the lighter green color. I'm kind of sad because I wanted to use the other green, but they took it out, and Conspiracy, or Illuminati, is too dark for this look. So I'm going to have to wait and get the mini controversy palette with the new one, but it's okay. So we're going to go in with the green and go on top of Just a Theory. And I am going to be taking this tiny brush and I'm going to grab Conspiracy. Conspiracy, I've already used this a ton because it's Christmas. And you're just going under the eye. And also I'm going to pack that on with this brush just to make sure that it is nice and sturdy and it's not very see-through. Wow, I love when airplanes fly by. Now we are going to go back in with Flamin' Hot. And we are just going to kind of blend. I'm using the same brush that I've been using, back to the blending one. And when you blend this in, it's almost going to give the red a goldish tint, which I'm here for. So, we're going to do that. And then we're going to go in with Illuminati, back with our small brush again. So this is the dark, dark green. And you are going to do your lash line. And you're going to be doing the outer corner of your bottom lash line. And now we're going to clean off that little brush so that all of the Illuminati is off of it, and we are going to be taking Ranch, which is the bright, bright white, and we are going to put that in our inner corner. Okay, so that is the completed eyeshadow portion of this look. Now we just have to go in with the eyeliner, I'm sorry the lighting's kind of weird. I don't know. I like the lighting better here than when I had it yesterday. I don't know why it makes this so dark though. So now I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. I'm very bad at doing eyeliner on camera, but this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to go do it real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that that is done, the only thing left to do for our eyes is mascara. I'm using Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Express as always. For my eyeliner, I just used your classic e.l.f. eyeliner. Everything I use except for the Conspiracy palette is drugstore makeup. So if you want me to do like literally everything except for a couple eyeshadow palettes that I have is drugstore. So if you want me to do like a video where I just use drugstore makeup, I got you. That is just where I belong. I know where I belong, and it's not with the fancy makeup. So there is my completed eyes. I'm going to go add, well, you guys are going to watch me add my eyebrows, do some contour, and then this look will be complete. So we are just going to be using Wow Brow from e.l.f. Well, this is the one I've been using in the past couple of videos. And it's very, very subtle, but I'm used to having in-your-face eyebrows, so I'm kind of enjoying how subtle it is. It's a little bit different. Okay, so there are my eyebrows. Now it is time to do our contour. So I am going to take out my, I'm sorry you can't see my mouth, is that weird? Wait, here. Okay, so now you can like see me talk. I had it zoomed in for my eyes and I was too lazy to take it back out. So I am going to be taking out my clear nose piercing, putting in my ring because it's festive season, boys. Next, I think I'm going to use Tanacon as a little bit of contour because it's really, really light, but guess who's really, really pale? Yep, yours truly. If you just heard the air kick on, yeah. Like, my contour has just not been it lately because I've been so pale. I just have to finesse it so hard. So yeah, oh, it's saying this, my camera's about to die. Now I'm going to go add some freckles. I did that in a video. I'll put the card somewhere. It's my Thanksgiving makeup look video, so if you want to see how I did that, it's in the thumbnail. You'll know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do my freckles, do my blush, and do my highlighter. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished my face. My freckles are a little more subtle today, but I'm just gonna let them roll with it. The only thing that I did different than I usually do is I used Just a Theory as my highlighter. Can you see Evie? No, she's coming over here. So yeah, now we are just going to add a little lip. So for this, I'm going to be using Are You Filming from the collection. Okay, so this is the completed look. I'm not going to do a montage because my camera's about to die, but stay tuned for an outro. So this is the completed look. It did not take long at all, and I'm really kind of happy with how it turned out. I'm going to continue practicing with the Conspiracy palette, but if you want to see more crazy looks, / if you want to see more soft glam, go ahead and let me know down below what you are interested in seeing. Leave a like if you want to. It really helps out my channel. If you want to subscribe, that also really helps out my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.